Hey guys, today we are going to make Patiala chicken, which is really famous in Punjab. For marinating chicken, I have taken a 2 tablespoon curd. To that add 1 teaspoon Kashmir chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. To that add clean chicken. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix them well. After mixing well, marinate it for half an hour. For making the curry, I have taken a 3 finely chopped onion, 2 tomatoes and 2 green chilies. To a pressure cooker, pour some oil. Add a cinnamon stick, I have broken into pieces, and 2 cardamoms, I have peeled them. After mint, add chopped onion and saute them well. Add a teaspoon of salt and cumin seeds each. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. After sauteing for a minute, add 1 teaspoon Kashmir chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon garam masala. Saute them well. After sauteing them, add tomatoes. After sauteing well, keep half of the masala aside. To rest of the masala, add some water. Mix them well and add marinated chicken. After mixing, add chopped green chili. Cover them and cook it. To under the pan, add some oil. Add 1 teaspoon jeera and let it splutter. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute them. Add 1 diced onion. Add some fenugreek leaves. To that add turmeric powder and Kashmir chili powder 1 teaspoon each and saute them well. Add our masala. Add 1 cup cashew nut paste. It gives a nutty flavor. Add little water. After cooking them for 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoon garam masala. Saute them for 2 more minutes. Our chicken is completely cooked. To that, add our paste. After mixing them, add 2 tablespoon cream. Add some coriander leaves and combine them well. Now it's ready to serve. You can serve Patiala chicken with chapathi, paratha or plain rice. Hope you liked the video. If so, please share with your friends and relatives. And please give thumbs up.